Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to talk about how to use the toilet. That means what are the Sunnah ways to use the toilet, restroom, washroom. So, Muslims clean themselves after passing urine or stool. We take care that urine doesn't splash on our body or clothes. We make sure that stool doesn't dirty our body or clothes. A dirty body can make us sick or give a bad smell. To clean oneself after passing urine or stool is called istinja. This is an Arabic term. Istinja means to clean ourselves from our body, private body parts. So, what you have to do? The first thing you have to do is read the dua before entering the toilet. What's the dua? Dua is Allahumma inni a'udhu bika minal khubuthi wal khaba'ith. What's the meaning of this dua? O Allah, I seek protection in you from shaitan. Then after that, enter into the toilet, restroom with left foot. Don't enter with right foot. Then next one, always sit and urinate. Don't urinate whilst standing. Then take care that urine or stool doesn't dirty your body or clothes. Then use the left hand to clean yourself. Don't use right hand. Then use water and mud pieces or tissue paper to clean yourself. Then leave the toilet with the right foot. Then after coming out of the toilet, read this dua. Ghufranak means I seek your forgiveness. Means we are talking to Allah, we are asking Allah forgiveness. So Alhamdulillah, these are the etiquettes of using toilet. So we ask Allah Ta'ala to guide us to follow this step-by-step method of Sunnah to get success in this world and in the hereafter. Jazakallah for watching. So see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.